Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to make phantom effect using transition in CapCut PC. So for example, I'm going to select few images to the right and I set the image duration in 1.0 second and go to transition and you can select phantom pro effect. So this is the pro effect and you can join to Pro before to be able to use this effect. Just add the track and it has body duration and 0.4 second and apply it to all the clip. We can set the duration in 0.5 second. Go to Pike and select the nightclub. So you can select the camera shake effect. Just body duration is same link with the video. Right, so this is the final effect. You can also add the audio, text, sticker, and anything you want. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe. Thank you so much.